If you've ever felt stressed during tax season in Canada, you're not alone. But the good news is, using TurboTax Canada makes the whole process simple, accurate, and fast. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the only way you should be using TurboTax for a smooth tax filing experience. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share some tips that can save you from common mistakes people make. Let's dive right in. First, getting started, open your browser and head straight to the official TurboTax Canada website. This is important because you want to avoid fake sites or outdated links. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the layout. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard now will make the whole process feel much easier later. Next, it's time to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, just click the sign in button on the top right. If you're brand new, TurboTax will guide you step by step through account creation. It's quick, and once you're in, you're ready to start. Now let's look at the dashboard. Think of this as your personal control center. From here, you can begin a new tax return or pick up right where you left off. One really helpful feature is the review/edit section. TurboTax automatically highlights areas that need attention, so you never have to worry about missing a detail. Moving on to the key input steps, start with your personal profile. Make sure your name, address, and other basic information are entered correctly, since this forms the foundation of your return. From there, you'll enter any additional personal identifiers exactly as they appear on your documents. Accuracy here is crucial. Next comes the most important part, reporting your income. Before you begin, gather all of your T-slips and income statements. Enter each one carefully. TurboTax is designed to minimize errors, but the quality of the information you put in really matters. Double check as you go to avoid costly mistakes or processing delays. Once everything is entered, head back to the review section. TurboTax will scan through your entire return, highlight any gaps, and suggest corrections. This review feature is like having a second set of expert eyes on your return. One of the reasons so many Canadians trust this platform year after year. And that's it. By following these steps, accessing the official site, setting up your account, carefully entering your details, reporting income correctly, and reviewing thoroughly, you'll ensure your tax filing process is smooth and stress-free. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical how-to tutorials. Filing taxes doesn't have to be scary, and with TurboTax Canada, you'll feel confident every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your 2025 tax season.